Hi, and welcome to the PassionFuze Volume 2 demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you exactly what you're getting in the front end of this product. Now, this is based on my own results in selling products, creating products from scratch, and generating this amount from a specific just one marketplace. But what's beautiful is that inside PassionFuze 2.0, I'm going to show you how you can create a product from literally scratch, easily, effortlessly, create it, sell it, and profit. Just like my wife has done with her own product that she created from scratch from me showing her exactly what she needed to do, and she created it. And you'll be able to see exactly what we've done and how you can do the same thing without having any backup or support, or if you're brand new in this space, just like my wife. In just 6 days, my wife was able to generate over 30 sales, around $300 from zero. Okay. And that's just the beginning. Now, if you build on this, you'll be able to generate even more based on my blueprint inside. So with everybody getting inside PassionFuze 2.0, you'll be able to find over 25 videos taking you through the steps of using my exact blueprint on actually selling products, creating products from scratch, easily, effortlessly, and adding it in a membership area or into just delivering on its own. Now, this method is proven to work. It's converting. It converted for my wife as well. And it's something that anybody can come in and create using my specific methods that I'm teaching people inside PassionFuze Volume 2. Thank you, and I'll talk to you inside the training.